Hello and welcome. So we are going to get started with a card reading for today. This is the week of May 8th through the 15th, and we will get started here in just 1 second. So are you wondering, like when you're doing card readings, like what essential oils are good for your practice? Or what essential oils actually are good to help get you into a state of meditation where you'll be really well balanced? Well, I'm glad to hear that, because in this video, I will go over some of my favorite essential oils, which I have here right beside me, and just kind of talk to you a little bit about how essential oils get me grounded before I pull my oracle cards, and for staying in a detached observer mode, which really helps like connecting with spirit and gaining greater insights into understanding the meaning of the cards we pull. So hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Denise Ari, and I am a certified oracle card reader and an elite wellness leader and essential oils educator with doTERRA. So go ahead, hit the bell, and click that subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a new video. So just to give you a little bit of background, I have been doing doTERRA as a business for over 5 years. And I help women create freedom through the financial stability of running their own business with doTERRA. Did you know that essential oils can naturally enhance your mental state and put you into an uplifted mood so that you feel awesome? I am super excited to show you some of my favorite and simple oils that I use. And if you stick with me to the end of the video, I have a free gift for you. It's my free PDF where I share a list of the most powerful and enlightening questions for asking Spirit and the Oracle cards to help guide you in finding your true purpose and power. So let's get to it. Okay, so when I pull cards, you can probably see over here on the side, I like to diffuse essential oils. And today I'm diffusing a blend that has grapefruit, lemon, Roman chamomile, frankincense, and Siberian fir. And I use 2 drops of each oil, and this is the perfect grounding blend. It also gives me an uplifting feeling from the citrus oils, and it really does get my mind into the right mood and help me to be ready to see what Spirit has in store for me today. So we're going to be reading cards for the week of May 8th through the 14th of 2022. And I've already got my cards here, and I am actually pulling cards from this deck called Wisdom of the Oracle by Colette Baron Reed. And this is one of my favorite decks. So I've been shuffling the cards here as we talk, and I'm just going to pull the top 3 cards. So the first card is Serendipity, and our second card is Co-Create, and this one happens to be in reverse, so that's our protection mode. And our third card is card number 24, Time for a Nap. And this one also happens to be in reverse or protection mode. Okay, so these are our cards for today, and these are really some pretty awesome little cards. So serendipity is really all about opportunity aligned with readiness, okay? It's the awareness of synchronicities going on around us. It's about luck and good fortune, which is like appearing as a sign, as different signs and symbols, like magical alignment of events. So basically what it's saying is you've stepped into like alignment with good, and where your dreams and the collective dream resonates in exquisite harmony. So now is the time for luck and preparation to meet and create miracles that you could never have planned all by yourself. So keep in mind that you are a channel for providence right now. And as a higher energy uses you as a force on behalf of the whole world, your fortune becomes everyone's fortune. So everything you bring into being now will leave a wondrous legacy for others in the future. So your service to the world is being supported at this time. So expect the unexpected and smile, for Spirit loves you so very much. This is a great card, Serendipity. Now, our second card is Co-Create, which is also, it's in protection mode, which is reverse. I think we saw this. And Co-Create is about creativity in art and bringing things into fruition and manifestation. So that's a great card to go in conjunction with our serendipity card, right? So while good things are happening, this one's all about co-creating it, right? And co-creating with spirit. So you may not consider yourself like a super creative person, but in fact you are. Because creating your reality is for every moment of every day via your thoughts. Every moment of every day, you are creating. Your thoughts, your feelings, your beliefs, your intentions, all of this is creation. Yet you must consider that you do so in partnership with spirit and with consciousness, God, whatever you want to call it, the universe, your higher power, right? So you're doing this co-creating with this other power. So you are a spark of this intelligence that works with inspired thought and intuitive guidance. And that's the key word, right? Intuitive guidance. So you're like a paintbrush that co-creates these beautiful and unique expressions of your own individuality, blended with a universal spirit. So you are a product of divine inspiration, and now you are aligned with it to create miracles. And when you view your life as art and know that you co-create it, only beauty and grace can result from that, okay? So be prepared to be amazed. And then the third card, which is kind of where we're going, is time for a nap in protection. So time for a nap is about rest and rejuvenation and renewal and temporary non-action. And it's allowing dreams to arise. So you have all of this good fortune going on and you're co-creating it with spirit. But you're also being told this is a time to step away and to rest and to let the cares of the world go, right? Go into a state of non-action and allow yourself to be free of the shackles of your goals, your lists, your desires, all of that stress. Nothing is as important as like rest and detachment and just being neutral about everything. So the overly busy mind that's constantly going can block you from your inner wisdom if you don't like step back, take a seat, and just rest. So be willing for those dreams that you're co-creating and all the miracles with this serendipity to come to the surface and ideas to just like flow through you, absent of any force or conscious direction, like as you observe without engagement, right? So that is your reading for this next week. Now I hope you liked this video, and if so, make sure to like my channel, hit that subscribe button, ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you want to learn more about essential oils, I have a weekly online class that you are welcome to attend. I also have a free PDF that you can download where I have a complete list of the all-time best questions to ask Spirit when pulling your oracle cards yourself. You can also find a guide for Essential Oils 101 in the description down below. Have a great day.